Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So the first method is to open the phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers are right in front of you, so you can smoothly and easily come along with them. Tap on OK to go back, and then you can open both IMEI numbers and also serial number of your device by tapping on the settings, then go to System and click on About Phone. And by tapping on Phone Identity, you can come along with both IMEI numbers 1 and 2, and then a bit lower you've got device serial number. So this is it. This is how you can quickly and easily find unique numbers assigned to your HTC Desire 19 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.